Okay. So how do I say to participate? Knowing that participate is from the noun participation. Bien, participer, to participate. Participer. Bien, I hope you remember how first group verbs are formed from words that end in A, T, I, O, N. A, T, I, O, N. So to participate, from the noun participation, we remove the Asian and we add ER to it to have the French form of the verb from the noun. That's how come we have participate, to participate. So how do I say to continue? To continue. From continuation. From continuation. Yes, continue. Continue. What about to differentiate? To differentiate. From differentiation. Differentiation. Oui, différencier. Différencier. Bien. Today, in this session, we are going to learn how to use these verbs, how to use them. And here, we'll be looking at the passé composé. Passé composé literally is the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, which is one of the tenses used to express the past tense in French. Passé composé, present perfect. As the name denotes, it's a compound tense. So you have the auxiliary verb plus the past participle of the main verb. The auxiliary plus the past participle. As in English, the present perfect. For instance, to differentiate, I've differentiated, or maybe let's say I've spoken. So there is have and spoken. The auxiliary to have plus the past participle of the main verb to speak, spoken. That is the same way the passé composé is formed, used to express the past tense, or literally the present perfect. The only thing in French is that we have the passé composé being expressed or used by both auxiliary to be and to have. But here, from the nouns that are in Asian, action, we are using the auxiliary verb have. Have. For that, we will take ourselves through the present form of to have in the various or under the various persons. To have, which is avoir. Avoir. That is the auxiliary we are using to express ourselves using the passé composé, the present perfect. Avoir goes like this. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have, informal or second person singular. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, one has, everybody has, we have. You want to put it that way. It is always in the third person, used in a general way, or in a general form, to say everybody does something, everybody has something, one has something, we have something. Bien. Nous avons, liaison. Nous ends in S, and avons begins with A, so zavons. The S in between the two vowels U and A, so it changes to the sound Z. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, formal way of second person plural, you have. Ils ont, they have, masculine plural. Elles ont, they have, feminine plural. Now, that is the present form of the auxiliary verb to have. How do we form the past participle? Don't forget that we are referring to first group verbs. Those are verbs ending in ER. Those are verbs formed from Asian. So to form the past participle of these verbs, one must remove the ER, which is the infinitive, which is the to. So we say that we have three groups of verbs. Three group of verbs. The verbs are classified into three main groups. You have first group, you have second group, and you have third group. So those in first group are those that end in ER except RE. Second group, most of them in IR, and third group RE. Bien. So the focus is on the first group. Those are in ER. How do we get or form the past participle of these verbs? One must remove the ER, what is the infinitive, from the verb. And that being done, we add E with accent aigu. Accent aigu. E accent aigu. Accent aigu is the accent that is standing on the E. So verb minus ER plus E with accent. Yes. So all the verbs that we formed previously from nouns in Asian to get their past participle, we remove once again the ER from the verb, then we add the E accent aigu. So prepared is préparé from the verb préparer. Eating, manger, manger from the verb manger, to eat. And it continues like that. Bien. So how do I say demonstrated? Demonstrated from demonstration. So the verb is what? Demonstrate. Demonstrate. So it will still have the same pronunciation. Demonstrate. Bien. So we have seen the conjugated form of the verb. Now we have seen how we can form the past participle of the ER verb, being the first group verb, by doing away with the infinitive ending, which is the ER, plus E accent aigu. So how do I say I have prepared? I have prepared. Bien. J'ai préparé. J'ai préparé. Bien. What about we have prepared? We have prepared. Nous avons préparé. Nous avons préparé. Bien. You see? Now, she has prepared. She has prepared. She has. Elle a prepared. Préparé. So, elle a préparé. C'est bon? Bien. I have eaten. I have eaten. I have, j'ai. J'ai eaten. Manger. So, I have eaten. J'ai mangé. J'ai mangé. C'est bon? You, former, have eaten. You have eaten. You, former, that is second person plural. Vous avez eaten. Mangé. Vous avez mangé. Vous avez mangé. Now, depending on if, for instance, you've eaten rice, rice, c'est du riz. Du riz. Du riz. So, j'ai mangé du riz. J'ai mangé du riz. J'ai préparé du riz. How do you say tea? Tea. In French? Thé. C'est le thé. So, le thé. So, some tea, du thé. Du thé. I prepared some tea. Yes, I prepared some tea. J'ai préparé du thé. C'est bien. J'ai préparé du thé. Vous voyez? Bon. Lesson is leçon. Leçon. How do I say I prepared my lesson? My lesson is ma leçon. Ma leçon. So I have prepared my lesson. J'ai préparé ma leçon. J'ai préparé ma leçon. Vous voyez? Bien. J'ai préparé. J'ai préparé. Bien. Knowing that envoyer is to send. How do I say I have sent? I have sent. Oui. J'ai envoyé. J'ai envoyé. Maintenant, regardons la liste de verbes que nous avons ici. La liste de verbes. List of verbs that we have. We have accepté. Accepté, to accept. So how do I say I have accepted? Maybe your proposal, I have accepted. First of all, how do I form the past participle of accepté? Yes, I remove the EI and I add E with accent, which has the same pronunciation, A. So it's what? Accepté. Accepté. Right? Acceptation. Bien. So how do I say I have accepted? J'ai accepté. J'ai accepté. C'est bon? Acheter. Acheter. That is to buy. I have bought. I have bought. J'ai acheté. J'ai acheté. Très bien. Aider. Aider. To help. To help. So I have helped. J'ai aidé. J'ai aidé. Aimer. Aimer. Loved. To love or to like. Aimer. I have liked. Like. Yes. J'ai aimé. J'ai aimé. Ajouter, to add. I have added. Ajouter. J'ai ajouté. J'ai ajouté. Appeler, to call. Appeler. So I have called. J'ai appelé. J'ai appelé. Apporter, to bring. Apporter, to bring. So I have brought. J'ai apporté. J'ai apporté. All right. Regarder, to watch. Watch. Like a football movie, like a scene. Watch. J'ai regardé. I have watched. Maybe the video, maybe the film, maybe the match yesterday. Or this morning. Yes. J'ai regardé. Entrer, to enter. Entrer, to go home, to come home, to enter, to be back. Bien. Entrer. Maybe j'ai entré, il y avait personne. I entered and there was no one. I have entered. J'ai entré. Envoyer, to send. J'ai envoyé. Espérer, hope. Hope. I have hoped to see him. I've hoped to hope. J'ai espéré. J'ai espéré. Essayer. To try. I've tried. Essayer. J'ai essayé. J'ai essayé. Écoutez. J'ai écouté. Listen. I have listened. I have listened. Expliquer. Expliquer. J'ai expliqué. J'ai expliqué. Exprimer, to express oneself. Exprimer. All right? J'ai exprimé, maybe mon point de vue, ou quoi que ce soit. J'ai exprimé. Fermé, to close. I've closed. Maybe the door. J'ai fermé. J'ai fermé. Préparé. Préparé. J'ai préparé. J'ai préparé. Présenter. To present something. I presented it. Presented. I have presented. J'ai présenté. Maybe 20 players, bien, 34 students, candidates at the exams. J'ai présenté. Prier, to pray. I prayed. I have prayed. Travailler, to work. I have worked. J'ai travaillé. J'ai travaillé. Quitter, to leave. So I've left. I've left. Let him. Left it. Left it there. Yes. J'ai quitté. Oui, that you have left is to narrate. Tell story. Bon, là, raconter. To narrate. J'ai rencontré. J'ai rencontré. Il a rencontré et rencontré. Rencontrer is to meet. Maybe I've met. J'ai rencontré. J'ai rencontré, par exemple, Monsieur Fidos la dernière fois. I met Mr. Fidos the last time. Ou bien, j'ai rencontré le pasteur. J'ai rencontré le pasteur. J'ai rencontré l'acteur. J'ai rencontré le journaliste. Vous vous souvenez de cette profession? I hope you remember those professions. Those that end in OR in English, changing to EUR. Those that end in IST, they take E in French. So journaliste, pianiste, and so on and so forth. Acteur, docteur, pasteur, bien. So j'ai rencontré le pasteur, j'ai rencontré l'acteur, j'ai rencontré le journaliste, ainsi de suite. Rencontrer and rencontrer. The difference is that the other one ends in R-E-R. This one ends only in E-R. This is to narrate. Rappeler. Rappeler to remember. Yeah, remember. To remind someone on something. Rappeler. So we have to rappeler. Rappeler to remind someone. J'ai rappelé, maybe Kofi, I reminded Kofi. J'ai rappelé, ou bien to call back, rappeler. Appeler, to call, rappeler. Maybe you call someone on phone and you miss the person, you are calling back. J'ai rappelé, I've called back. I've reminded. Refuser, to refuse. Why do you have to refuse? J'ai refusé. Yes, I have the reason. J'ai refusé. I have refused. Bien, and it continues like that. Make use of the to have plus the past participle of the main verb, which are mostly verbs from West in Asian, which are first group verbs. First group verbs. As we proceed on, we move on to the other two group of verbs. But don't forget that first group verbs are verbs that end in ER except LA, and that have their past participle by removing the ER and adding E accent aigu. E accent aigu. And that E with accent standing has the sound A. A. So accepter, acheter, aider, aimer, ajouter, appeler, apporter, regarder, entrer, envoyer, espérer, essayer, écouter, expliquer, exprimer, fermer, préparer, présenter, prier, travailler, quitter, rencontrer, rappeler et refuser,